Let's create these gel X nails together. So guys, our nails is nicely prepped. We're going to be adding our base coat, and this is what is given after curing for 60 seconds, okay? And then we're going to be adding your preferred nude color. I'm going with this particular shade of nude color, okay? You apply and then you're going to cure for 60 seconds, and then we'll dive into the next step. Guys, as like I said earlier, this set is actually a gel X, you know, design. Most of my work is actually gel X, okay? Yeah. So I did the rest off camera, okay? Cure it for 60 seconds, and then we delve over to the next step. So guys, we're going to be drawing our French tip, guys, okay? But because I've showed you guys so many videos of how to draw your French tip, so that is why I am fast forwarding this video, okay? Just to avoid this video to be too lengthy. Yeah, so I'm not making it to be as detailed as possible, okay? But this is just to show you, there are so many ways to draw your French tips, okay, as a beginner nail tech, okay? So we're going to be drawing our French tips, and then we'll dive over to the next step. As you know, guys, we're not going to be doing all of the fingers or all of the hands on camera here, so I did the rest off camera, and this is what it's giving, okay? You care for 60 seconds, and we're going to be diving into the next step. Guys, just watch the video and understand, okay? If there's any, or you can actually save, okay, to watch for later after watching, so that you can actually come back in case there's anything you want to, or that you miss or you forgot, because today's tutorial has so many designs, okay? So for one finger, this is the particular design, okay? If you don't want to use this method, this is actually a airbrush, non-airbrush method, okay? You can actually use gel and then blended foam, or you can use your airbrush, or use your eyeshadow palette. There are so many ways to actually do this method. I've actually done a lot of these videos how to do oral nails and then ombre, okay? I have it so many on my channels, you can go check it out, okay? So this is actually an oral nail design, okay? So I'm going to be doing it for just this particular finger. As you can see, I'm doing it for both hands and the particular finger. So just watch the video and understand. I don't know if what I'm saying is actually making sense, okay? But this particular design is actually called oral design with gel polish. You can use pigment powder, you can use eyeshadow palette, you can use your airbrush, okay? Any way that suits you, okay? And then here we're going to be, just watch the video and understand, guys, okay? So guys, what I basically did was to use my dirty pen, okay, to drop 5 dots, okay, and then use my small lining brush to just, you know, give it that curve. And that is basically all I did, okay, for this particular hand design. That is why I said today's tutorial has so many designs, so just watch the video and understand. And yes guys, if you are watching this video up to this extent, that means you're actually enjoying this video, okay. So please give me a thumbs up, okay. That's actually the only way you can tell me thank you in the comment section. And liking, subscribing, sharing is actually the only way you can actually encourage me, and that is you telling YouTube to keep pushing my channel to other viewers, okay. This channel is actually growing, so yeah, we need that visibility guys. So please give me a like, okay. You can also subscribe if you are into nail tech, or you love what I am dropping on this channel, okay. You can please subscribe, and then you can also comment and then share this video, okay. Thank you so much, and God bless you. So guys, like I said, I just used my lining brush, okay, to draw this kind of a zigzag line, and I use my dot pen to give it that design. Just watch the video and understand, because tell me that let me use my mouth, or let me start explaining what I'm doing, like I will carry zero like last. All right guys. So guys, if you have pear stones, either white or gold, you can actually use your pear stones, okay? But I don't have it here, so I'm using my yellow gel polish, okay, to just drop a dot to, kind of a, alternative for your pear stones. If you don't have pear stones, this is your good alternative, and it actually still came out so beautiful at the end of the day. So guys, we are done, and we're going to be applying our top coat, okay? Apply your top coat, you cure for 60 seconds, and then we are good to go. That is it for today's tutorial. So guys, this is the finished look, okay, after adding our top coat, and this is what it's giving. Guys, tell me in the comment section that this design did not hit, guys. It actually came out so beautiful, and it's even looking like an acrylic. You won't even know that this nails is actually a press-on nails. So guys, if you're in Nigeria, okay, I'll be launching my press-on nail business very soon, okay? So please follow me on TikTok at Vanessa Fina Vandy's Beauty World, okay? Instagram Vandy's Beauty World, okay? Vanessa Fina. I'll be launching my press-on nail business, so please do well to patronize me, okay? And yes, tell me in the comment section if this design did not hit, guys. It actually came out so beautiful. You will not even know that this nails is actually a press-on nails. You will not know. You will think this is actually an acrylic nail set, okay? Yes, alright guys, see you in our next video, and thank you for watching. Mwah.